Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with hCaptcha for secure web form UI flows step by step clearly. To start authenticating with hCaptcha, first, visit the hCaptcha website to create an account. Once you have created your account, log into your dashboard. Next, create a new site key by navigating to the Sites section. Enter your site details, including the domain where you will use hCaptcha. Make sure to choose the correct security options based on your needs. After saving your site, you will receive a site key and a secret key. Now, move to your web applications codebase. Integrate the hCaptcha JavaScript library into your web form. You can do this by adding the following script tag in your HTML. Replace your site key with the actual site key you received earlier. Next, add the hCaptcha widget to your form. This is done by incorporating the hCaptcha tag in your form markup. Set up an event listener for form submission. In this listener, verify that hCaptcha has been completed by the user. If hCaptcha is not completed, alert the user to validate their response. If hCaptcha is completed, retrieve the response token from the hCaptcha widget. Send this token along with your form data to your server for verification. On your server, utilize the hCaptcha secret key to validate the response. Make a post request to the hCaptcha verification endpoint with the token. Check the response to ensure the token is valid and not expired. If the token is valid, proceed to process the form data as you normally would. If the token is invalid, take appropriate action, such as alerting the user. Be sure to test your integration thoroughly to confirm everything works as expected. Review your logs for any issues during the authentication flow. Once confirmed, you can deploy the updated web form to your live environment. This finalizes the secure setup of hCaptcha for your web form UI flows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.